Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, students of Standard First. We are here with our next lecture of English. I guess you have done this class test number 1, and till now whatever we have read, you have copied it on your books as well as on your notebooks. Soon we are going to start homework checking process and then conducting test. Here we are with our next lesson, which titles as hen with the GOLDEN, golden. Golden means anything made up of gold. You know what is gold? Your mother or your sister is wearing rings or bangles made up of gold. So check them with them. They will show you what does gold means. Gold is a metal which is used to make ornaments. Eggs. So hen which was having golden eggs. Once up o and on. Up on a time. Once upon a time. That means long time back, in some early times, or it may be imaginary story. A man and his wife had the good fortune. The man and his wife had a good fortune. They had a good luck to have a hen. They had a hen which laid a golden egg every day. Every day it used to lay golden egg which was made up of gold. So they were very lucky. They were enough rich that they were having one golden egg every day. Lucky though they were very lucky. They soon began to think they were not getting rich fast enough. This is not read as ENOUGH, enouge. It is read as enough. There are many words in which GH is read as F. So they were lucky that they were having one golden egg every day, but they began to think that they are not becoming very rich. They wanted to become very rich. They wanted to have very much money. So they thought that they are not getting very rich. They imagined. Now they started thinking that if the bird here refers to the hen, that if the bird must be able to lay golden eggs, they started thinking that if this bird, the hen, is laying golden egg, its insides must be of gold. Its inside, whatever is there inside a hen, everything must be made up of gold. And they thought, and now they again start thinking that if they could get all that precious metal, they start thinking that if it is possible for them to get all that precious metal here refers to gold. Precious means very costly, metal means a material. So gold is a very costly material. So they wanted to get all the precious material from the inside of the hen at once. In one go they wanted to get all that gold out. So they would get mighty rich very soon. So with this they wanted to become very rich. So the man and his wife decided to kill the bird. The man and his wife, what they decided? They decided to kill the bird with the knife. However, upon cutting the hen open, when they killed the bird and they cut it open, they were shocked. They were SHOC, shock, KED, shocked. So they were shocked. They were surprised to find. They found that its innards, the inside of the hen were like that of any other hen. The inside of the hen was just like an ordinary hen which we have in our houses or which we see in the market. It was not made up of gold. So what is the moral? Greed is a curse. Whenever you will have a greed, it is a curse. It is not a good thing. Or think before you act. Or other moral is, whenever you want to do anything, think before it what you are going to do. I will give a quick revision to this once again. Hen with the golden eggs. Once upon a time, a man and his wife had the good fortune. Okay, you also, with this we finish. In the next lecture, I will be back. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.